Hello friends, good morning and welcome to the channel. Myself Raj, and in this video I will show you how to fix this error cannot insert explicit value for an identity column in a table that I got while trying to insert explicit value for a table which contains an identity column, right? So I will show you the complete issue what I got and how to fix that particular issue. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just navigate to SQL Server where I can show you all the details, right? So you can able to see I have already logged into my SQL Server, and here is one database called test. Inside that I have a table called orders. Okay, and you can able to see the columns. There is order ID, order name, and order type. And if you right click and see these properties, this is an identity column. You can able to see identity is true, identity seed is one, and increment value is one, right? So when the table contains an identity column, so you cannot insert a value, explicit value to that particular table for this column, which is a identity column, right? So now to show you that if I'll run this particular query, so what I'm trying to tell here is this is the table orders. I'm trying to tell that insert these values for these three columns, right? Order ID, order name, and order type. So now once I will execute this, you can able to see I got the same error. Let me just copy this error so that you can able to see it, right? So I will just copy it here. We can able to see what it is telling cannot insert explicit value for an identity column in a table, this one, when the identity insert is set to off. So by default, this particular property is set to off. That's the reason we are getting this error. So this is the cause of the error actually. So what we need to do, we need to fix this error. What we can do, we need to set this particular property, set identity underscore insert and to on, right? So what I'll do, I'll just write a query saying that set identity underscore insert, then the table name, I have the table name orders, I will make it to off, right? Semicolon. So this is the query we need to execute fast. Sorry, I'm sorry, it should be on, right? This is by default off, so I will make it on. Then what I'm trying to tell is you allow me to insert an explicit value for the identity column, right? So I will just run it. Let me execute it. You can able to see command completed successfully. Now if I will try to insert this value, let me just try one more. I will instead of 7, I will insert 8. I will just click on execute. You can able to see this time the record got inserted successfully, right? If I'll make it 7 also, so let me just execute this. You can able to see this is also inserted successfully, right? So now how do you know that this value is inserted successfully? So what we'll do, I will just I will do a select statement, select star from orders, right? Semicolon. So if I'll execute this, you can able to see we already added these records and the records has been added successfully, right? This time we didn't get any error, right? So this is how you can fix it, this particular error, right? So now what you need to do as a next step, you need to make to this particular property to off again. Okay, that's it. That is the best practice you can follow. So what I'll do, I will make it off again, right? I'll just make it off. So this is a better practice so that no explicit values are allowed now, right? So you can able to see command completed successfully. So now again, if I'll go and try to insert a new value, if I'll make it 9, You can able to see we are getting the same error again. So this is how you can fix this particular error, cannot insert explicit value for an identity column in a table, right? So that's it for today. I thought to quickly show you how to fix this error, cannot insert explicit value to a table in SQL Server. So this is the error we got, and we discussed how to fix this particular error, right? So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video a little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of free SQL Server tips. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.